Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports in our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Honda VTX1300S. This is the spoke wheel version of the big classic Fender big bore 1300 liquid cooled shaft drive. This bike is in beautiful condition and we are selling it cheap, just $29.99. Beautiful metallic silver paint. It's got highway bars, an awesome sounding exhaust system, Mustang seat. It's got a quick release windscreen that comes with it and a quick release passenger backrest with a luggage rack, floorboards. I probably should raise the price on this one. It ain't gonna be here long. Come by, check it out. 2005 VTX1300S for just $29.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. From Contra Costa Powersports.